Wait. And keep going, nigga, no matter what, nigga. It's Young Villain.
Tryna ease my nerves cause the nigga was on probation. Wait, I beat it like Jay, nigga, no headphones. All I'm tryna do is get fucked by a red bone. 16, she like Villain gon' make it. Go get her wet, now she tryna get naked.
Yeah.
Oh, y'all be impatient, niggas on that tape shit. Nigga, I'm faded, y'all on that lame shit. Too much heat cause I'm hotter than Satan. I'm headed to the top cause the throne is for the taking.
Yeah.
The throne is for the taking, now watch the throne. And I don't give a fuck, I got your girl, she give me zone. And I don't give a fuck, I got your girl, she give me zone. Give me topper, I don't care, she is a bopper. Like soccer bopper, and it is a pillow fight. And I don't give a fuck, cause this is a pillow fight.
Yeah! Alright. I'm coming back, and it's going back to you.
Straight out of a little hood with them young niggas be up to no good. If you fucking with us, you gon' win, cause we gon' set your ass on fire. We never retire, we never don't like us. We just some niggas stuff and put you at the top of the empire. Tell you jump, now get your lunch and pack it if you tryna go to war with us. Told you niggas if you come to our hood, you was on the tour bus. Cause nobody rolling up unless they windows hit it. And they rep better be in it, cause nobody talking shit when it comes to this fucking business. We rep our fucking city. You bring your fucking niggas and don't bring no fucking winners, cause my niggas reppin' with me. If you out here, then you win it. And if you ain't in it, then your ass get the minutes. You cannot get replenished from the shit that I am serving. If you niggas talking bullshit, then I'm murdering. Told that they disturbing me with all that weak shit. If you ain't got nothing to say, then don't speak shit. We be on that street and
shit.
And I be puffin' purple clouds to balance out my flows. And welcome to my class of thoughts, I hope you taking notes. I spit flames, my heat is what they feeling. Uses versus banana, cause every bar is ammunition. I stay spittin', stay killin', this is my tradition. And this is all a nigga knows, the pop is my religion. You need to open your eyes to see what you've been missing. Them haters coming for me, hey, but I'm optimistic. So pick your pace up, that's money we chasing. And catch my pockets full of dead Freemasons. Villain is coming up, I do it bigger now. She say she like it long, I'm finna dig her down. Ain't no Charlie Sheen, but we some winners now. I eat your girl run for breakfast up and dinner now. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, okay. My AK spit grenades at your fucking braids. You niggas been talking bullshit, but you ain't fucking paid. You fucking say I'm fucking sunny. You broke her fucking money. Matter of fact, fuck your bitch, man. I'm fucking money. These niggas be talking dummy, and I don't think that they with it. They say that they retarded, but they really fucking ignorant. West Block, nigga. You know what it is.
That was